Hello everybody, welcome to the show. Bass and Bonsai in the house. Full bougie, right? No, not necessarily. We're going swim baiting with little swim baits. We don't have our full swim baits in. Charles actually has a decent one. I've got the one S-Ray Waver 168. But buckle up and hang on, this should be a good one. The rain is just getting ready to get out of here. It's about probably 6:15 a.m. We're hoping to catch some topwater fish and some big fish and some probably dinks. So buckle up, hang on, GOMEXUS style, let's go. This is full bougie, just so you know. All right, time to get on the chesty and we're gonna catch some largemouth bass. Let's go. All right, we're gonna start out with this rod.
Little bass, you're following.
Yeah, little dink, there you go.
I got
Bait.
whole school of little bass.
Bait is slightly off, Charles.
Okay, I'm gonna put the right one on there.
Let's go full glide bait. I got a little secret weapon. Just to try it. It's crazy bright, probably too bright. I just cannot wait to try this chatterbait glide bait that may be a total disaster. Or it may be... Oh my God. Well, I'm gonna throw it right by Charles. Charles got one. Saw that.
It's clearer than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, it's pretty clear.
Yeah, it's over there when we put in, it didn't look like it.
That chatter blade on the front makes it... Charles, that one don't count.
Yeah, we did. You saw it. You count it.
They're hitting it stuff right at the surface. My chatterbait contraption. Try to go slow. Oh, it does kind of
Oh, it dances like some of
chatter and dance. Maybe
Yeah.
it just needs to be worked real slow.
Yeah, that's crazy. And you had followers too.
Just... Oh, I kind of like the way it looks and feels. I don't know. Oh, there's one following it. Oh, there's two following it. They just don't know if they want it. Okay.
Well,
I could
it
see
might
a
be little,
very aggressive time and place for that bait, but not right
might be
now.
a little big for what.
Right, little dinks are following it.
Yeah.
Let's go with this dude. Oh, get off of there. Here's the one, the very first one I ever went out fishing with. This dude was like on fire. So let's try him. Try that little chop.
Mine's too slow too. I might need to just get a reaction. There's a hit. I might need to just
There's one looking at it.
make them think it's going away.
Oh, there's like a half dozen. Got one.
Maybe he's right.
Yeah, I think it may need some, but they're nice chunks. Jesus, they look smaller in the water. They were definitely...
Do they look like they got big heads and little bodies or anything?
No, that looks... He is long. Look at that long tail.
Yeah.
But, I mean, that's a healthy fish. Look at his gut.
Yeah.
I go by if they're like fatties. Look at that mud. You got muddy butt. Probably means crawdads. Oh, wow. Did you guys just get wet? That... Was that the first cast? Chop style.
You got a chop?
Chop, chop. Huh?
You got a chop?
Chop what? What are you talking about?
What is that bait that you were talking about that's like a whopper?
No, Choppo.
Choppo. I
No.
bought a Choppo.
No, I don't have one.
I guess I could try it. Because you were talking about it. That was
Yeah, I
nice to
could.
know. This
Well,
one-
I'm
why
sure it'll
isn't it
work.
working better? El Choppo.
All right, let's get this bait. Charles caught another one. He says he likes the Choppo better than a whopper plopper. but it's early on.
Whoa,
that was a jumper. Charles may be jumping the gun on that. We don't know. So I've rigged up. Took me forever. I got to find a new pair of these.
I don't know that I really like the color that much on this one.
Right.
I like the way it works.
Well, it's farther out. Oh, there's a bump. Definitely bumped it.
You can see the swirl where the fish.
Yeah, there's another one. Oh, another one grabbed it. So it's kind of tempting to them, but they're just not for sure about it. Let me get even more aggressive. Another Choppo. Make me break out my. Charles gonna make me break out my, what do you call it? Let's just try out our new power deal, right? Wizard 6'10", medium heavy. Topwater baits. If you're gonna go whopper plopper, might as well go full whopper plopper. Right? Still kind of in that swimbaity type atmosphere with the big one.
I wondered about that, putting the tail on them.
Yeah, I tried this one, I don't know. So let's go. Let's try it. And I know you guys think I did the old switcheroo. I had this, if you guys watched the live stream, I had it on the other Zillion. Zillion 1000, the newest one. But then the Zillion 10 was already on this reel. And I was like, well, let's try it. Instead of rigging that one up on a whole different. It just feels a little bally right there. Is that a word? Bally? Bally.
I don't know what bally is, other than
Oh,
place.
got him.
Oh God, that. Oh no, it's not that. Not fish, it's not that.
Oh, and I ain't got him. This is probably too soft a rod for these hooks, but it shouldn't be. But see that? Big full size. Should have had that fish though. That's just where, and I'll be honest, I'm starting to get to the point where every rod I own is going to be a full bend down into here, or I just won't own it, because it seems like every rod that starts out with the softer tip and jumps to backbone faster is hard to explain, but they just suck for true getting a fish to the boat compared to.
Have enough give,
and
that's where we were doing good with the BFS. You know, setting the hook is a bit of an issue with the BFS, but once you get the hook set, the rod is very
well,
forgiving.
it's just the hardest thing to. It's just weird, and it's not even how much power rating they have. It's just if they have a fluid bend all the way down the rod, you're going to get better getting a fish in.
Yeah.
The NRX ones were a perfect example. They had soft tips, jumped in the backbone, and you thought, okay, man, this is going to be good. And I felt like you were getting good hook sets, and then the fish were just popping off.
Yeah.
I'm like, what is going on with this thing? But like the carbon lights, Poison Adrena, even this crazy heavy Super Destroyer, but it comes and then it stays in the deal. So I don't know, it's hard to explain. Just more forgiving, I guess. We should go to a small. Let's take this dude off. I might try him on the Super Destroyer. I think this rod's just a little too funky for it. Let's try. Oh, you know what? Let's try a little rat, a little G-rat. I don't know where the G-rat, the name pops. I must have heard it. Somebody must make a G-rat, but this is our little C-rat, little Charlie rat. Look at that little dude. Oh, that should bring a fish in. Look at that crazy wake. Oh my God. Thing does look good. What's this rat? Cast pretty good.
Look at that one. That's a monster right there.
What, fish?
Yeah, followed up and then just said nope.
Huh.
Looked like it's probably a 3-4 pounder. Not a monster, but 3-4 pounder.
Let's see if the G-Rat can get him. Let's throw it out in the middle of nowhere, see if we can pull in Charles's follower.
And he just, it was weird because it just kind of, it cruised up to where I could see it. It looked at it and then it just kind of, no.
Come on, G-Rat. I could only guess that this bait will work when it's darker water, because it's got good noise. It's just too bright and too noisy, I think, for this clear water everywhere I've fished it. It just looks good though. One more G-Rat cast. Oh man, he's a giant, Charles.
It really blew up.
Yeah. One more G-Rat. That boy, a GC rat. Oh. And little dudes, I gotta remember you little dudes. I gotta remember you little dudes and get a good grip on you, because you guys are driving me crazy. Get out of here. Second fish is a horrible one. He was vicious and a little beast. But Charles didn't try his money. The money dog. That dude right there. Charles already went to a SwimBait. That dude right there should be money.
Getting after it too.
All right, come on. Got him.
Yep. A little more subtle, huh?
That's your. That is the whatchamacallit. The fat perch.
Oh.
Fat perch. Boop. I only have this bait because Charles tore me up with his perch color, and I think last year when I did that, I ordered this dude over the winter. That's just a knockoff one, but awesome deal. Look at that. Thank God, Charles, I had those huge cranking knobs to pull that giant in. Whee! I should get a pick of one of these. If I gotta. I'm using a Zillion 10 with this crazy 100mm handle on the Wizard, $100 AliExpress rod. This is not full bougie. There's another one. Oh God, that one's gigantic, Charles. Oh, good thing I got the power cranks on them. Whee! Whew, and that 10-to-1 ratio to get him in quick. Yeah, I need to change up. I should be throwing this in my BFS setup. Hey. Hey now. Okay, we got a bait works. Look at that giant. Let's go, Charles. It's gonna be a big one. We're gonna die. Charles' trolling motors got demons. Well, Charles, since we're hooking into these giants, I'm cranking my drag down. I've got these power fat knobs, and I'm gonna catch a SwimBait fish right now. If they'll hit that bait, they should hit this little white dude. I think this one's made to go fast, so I'm gonna try him. Back to SwimBaiting, Charles. I just want to get the this arise out here. So now this one I should be able to just cast in real slow. That arise goes Very good. I should be able to just find a retrieve and just bring it back. And then maybe every once in a while. Oh, Charles, get me over there. Get me. Oh my God, Charles, get me over there. Oh, hang on, I'll get us hard. Oh, he's pulling hard away. Oh, he's got Charles, the drag's going. Oh my God.
3-pounder?
Oh, it's a 3-pounder. Woo. I gotta get my bait back, Charles. This is my most unlucky bait. I gotta give this to Matt. It's a good time to set my drag, and it is nowhere near tight enough. Pull this way. Keep the boat off the deal. It's still too loose. Okay, that's better, but yeah, that's a little better. Look at that, right on the tip of that. There's a little bitty friggin' stump thing there, and he stuck it. Hang on. My God. Get off of there. We're not checking hooks. We'll check them later. Let me try it out. Let's swim good. Charles got the big dog. Then he added, you did that.
Yeah.
Add a little rattle trap in front of it. Oh! One follow that all the way.
Man, you can just watch the line go. I don't even have to see the bait, I can just watch my line. See it?
Yep. Looks like it's swimming good.
Yeah, swims freaking awesome. But $40
Yeah.
to swim like that.
That's a Rashi something or. Sun's gonna come out. Sun's out, guns out.
That's a fish.
Oh.
My line broke. This is like freaking 60-pound test.
Well, it didn't snap that hard though. What brand is that?
We're going looking for line.
Yep. Let's hurry up.
That thing is it's hooked to a fish.
Yeah.
I thought I saw the line floating out there.
Charles, right here, right here, right here. Here, if there's one on, it can rip your fingers off. He's already off. Or you'd have felt him probably anyway. At least you'll get your bait back.
Yeah, $40 freaking bait.
What the heck?
Dude, just right in the
I don't know if
middle.
I'd use that line anymore. I don't know. I mean, it snapped, but it didn't sound loud enough for me. But braids
No, it
sometimes
didn't.
don't.
It didn't. It was like no pressure, hardly.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with. Yeah, it may be time to switch up stuff. I can't say that I've lost faith in the swim bait game, but I've lost faith in the swim bait game. Let's try something else.